Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 is the baseball field. It says a typical college baseball field has 90 feet between each base. If the catcher has to throw from home plate to second base due to a player stealing second, about how far is the distance thrown by the catcher? So we can draw a diagram to represent this situation. We have the distance from home plate to first base, and then we have the distance from first base to second base, and both of those are 90 feet. And then we have the distance between home plate and second, which is the hypotenuse of the right triangle, and that's the distance that we're looking for. So leg squared, or a squared, plus the other leg squared, b squared, will be equal to the hypotenuse squared, or c squared. And now we'll just substitute. The length of the first leg is 90 squared, plus the length of the second leg is 90 squared, and that equals the length of the hypotenuse, or the distance between home plate and second base, which is c squared. So on the left side, I have 90 squared, which is 90 times 90. That would be 8,100, plus, again, it's the same 90 squared, so that's 8,100, and that equals c squared. On the left side, I can add 8,100 plus 8,100 and get 16,200, and that's equal to c squared. To solve for c, or the length of the hypotenuse, I'm going to take a square root to undo the squaring on both sides. And so the square root of c squared will be c, and the square root of 16,200 is approximately 127.3 feet. So the distance the catcher would have to throw to second base would be about 127.3 feet.